Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, Buckeyes / peanut butter balls. That's next on Cooking with Corey. Stay tuned. All right, let's go over our ingredients today. Chocolate chip of your choice, 12 ounces. Peanut butter of your choice, 12 ounces. Crisco, we're only going to use a tablespoon to go into our chocolate chips and we melt them. 1 pound of powdered sugar, 1 stick of butter, tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. All right, let's get this party started. We're going to start out with 12 ounces of peanut butter of your choice. So go into our mixing bowl. Heck yeah. Okay. All right. 1 stick of butter will go in, like so. I'll go in with a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So what we'll do on our beater, down she goes, lock and load. We're going to cream those together. All right, we want to make sure we stop every once in a while, give it a scrape down. There's going to be bits of butter not incorporated with your peanut butter, so give her a good scrape down, like so, and then go back to it. Not very long, you just want to incorporate them. So lock, and we'll go. Okay, now we're going to add some powdered sugar to the mix, 1 pound. So let's just start with a little first. Get a little in there, just to get you started. Now you want to go down, you want to lock her up, but you want to start slow. You don't want to get this all over your kitchen because it will go everywhere and you will see it for months. So nice and slow. Let it get in there nice and slow until it incorporates, and then slowly you can ramp it up. All right, each time you add your powdered sugar a little bit, you need to scrape because you're going to have pockets of powdered sugar in there. You don't want that. So scrape her up. All right, it's time to add the rest of the pound to this. So we'll go ahead and make sure we get a pound in there, or until this makes a good dough. There we go. We should be around a pound. Let's drop it, lock it, start slow. It's going to incorporate a little slower now because there's not much moisture in there. There you go. Let's see how we're getting a nice doughy consistency in there. All right, I'm gonna let this go just a bit and we'll bring it. All right, look where we're at now. We got some it's nice and doughy, but we need to do one more scrape down of the bowl. I can't stress this enough, especially with this or about anything you do in a KitchenAid. Stuff gets in the bottom, stuff gets in the side. Cause see, I can see some powdered sugar down there right now. All right, that's where we want it. It's looking pretty good. I'm gonna let this rip for just a little bit to incorporate, and we'll bring you back. We have reached the stage where I think we are good, so what you want to do is make sure it's like Play-Doh, kind of like clayish, so you can make little balls out of it like this. We're there. All right, let's roll some balls of peanut butter next. All right, let's mix some more of these. Here's our delicious looking peanut butter, I guess, powdered sugar dough. So take that. You make these however big you want, like I said before. Just roll them out in your palms, like so. And there you got it. I'm gonna keep doing this for a while. All right, here we go. These are gotta go into the refrigerator for 1 hour to set up, and then we'll add some chocolate to them. And if this dough is not playing fair with you and it's not tightening up, add some more powdered sugar to it, slowly at a time, and it will come down and be more pliable for you, easier for you to work with. All right, refrigerator, 1 hour. We'll be back. All right, time to get our chocolate started. 12 ounces chocolate chips of your choice into the bowl. Tablespoon of shortening. What this will do, it makes it more smooth and it helps cover the product better. I'm going to do this in the microwave. I'm not going to show you because you guys have probably seen that a million times. So I'm going to go 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir, 15 seconds, stir until most of those chips are melted. Then I'm going to pull it out and let it finish melting on its own that way. All right, our delicious peanut butter balls are out. They're nice and cooled, looking all delicious and such. All right, our chocolate melted. I moved it into a smaller vessel. We're going to take our Buckeye or a peanut butter ball, just stab it with a toothpick or a skewer like I'm using. You can take it, drop her in there like so, pull her out. Uh-oh. Pull her out onto the baking dish like so. And you got a Buckeye. Let's do another one. Back in here. You can do yours smaller. Mine are pretty big. So, get off there. See, that one won't get off there now. All right. So I'm going to do that to the rest of them. You can cover the little hole up on top like that when you're done if you want to make it look more pretty. But that's how you do those, and we'll come back and plate them up. Okay, time to see our final Buckeyes. Here we got some right here. We're not gonna do nothing special with them. Don't they look delicious? And I did just drizzle chocolate on a few of them. So there you got it. A nice, easy, delicious, peanut buttery, chocolatey treat or dessert. You can use it for parties or whatever. There you got it. Buckeyes or peanut butter balls. They are delicious. Give them a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. We'll see you next week.